Hi, welcome to the Akshay Money Management YouTube channel for December series. Entire world is waiting for the COVID antidote. And here we have a news. UK became the first country to authorize Pfizer for the COVID-19 vaccine. So quickly let us go for the UK and find out how this antidote works. We have a renowned doctor, Mr. Shivashankar. Let us find out how this works and how this will be helpful for the mankind. Hi, doctor. Thanks for coming and thanks for your time.
You're welcome.
So one question which we are thinking is, vaccine has been too much rushed out. Did they made it is too fast? Is it is safe to take it? These are some of the questions which a lot of our customers are asking. So just I want to take a view from you.
Sure. I mean, this is a very good question, and it's a valid question, which is, in most of the minds, not only the public, but also the medical profession, doctors. The coronavirus or the COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer and BioNTech has been approved for use in the UK. The vaccine has met strict standards of safety, quality, and effectiveness set out by the Independent Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Authority in the UK, the MHRA. As far as the vaccine safety is concerned, any coronavirus vaccine that is approved must go through all the clinical trials and safety checks all of the licensed medicines go through as well. The UK has some of the highest safety standards in the world. Vaccines will only be used if they are approved by the MRHA. The MRHA has been monitoring every stage of the coronavirus vaccine development. So far, thousands of people have been given the coronavirus vaccine and no serious side effects or complications have been reported.
Wow, that's great, sir. But thanks for this answer. Another is, how will it be world after this COVID vaccination?
Yeah, after the COVID vaccination, the coronavirus will not be zero, but there is light at the end of the tunnel, and you'll be seeing green shoots of improvements in the economy, in the healthcare, and the well-being of the people. But it is important that we continue the health and safety standards of maintaining cleanliness and personal hygiene and protection, etc.
Understood, sir. So we should live with the COVID.
Yeah, Mr. Kumar, we know that November 2020 has been a very good month for investors. So going forward, what is your opinion?
Yes, sir. This November was one of the fantastic month for the entire, maybe like a 5 years. We have seen the 55,000 crores is been invested by the foreigners in Indian market. So to be frank, this is not a new money. The money what they removed from the Jan to April, almost 90,000 crores they removed it. The same money is being pumped back in the from the May to till date. In the 6 months, they had pumped back the same 90,000. So we should see the new money, how much is going to come. Depend upon that one, we can see how the markets will be rallying from here.
Thank you. Yeah, Mr. Kumar, going forward, what would be your advice to investors? Whether there should be any changes in their portfolios like profit booking or further investments in the short term, or would you advise to go for the long term?
See, one sentence I can say, now the market is moving from the test match to the T20 match. So if you see this table, this is a table of 2010 to now. So 2010 was a very good year for the equity market. whether you put it in the mid cap, large caps, you had made from 14% to 19%. That was, I can call it as a bull market in 2010. After that, when 2011 was a bear market, whatever returns you made it in 2010, everything washed out in 2011 because you have seen the minus 36% fall in the mid and small caps and the large caps also. So like that, if you see the 10 years table, after every bull market, there is a bear market alternative. After 2014, there was a two flattest year like 2015 and 16. And if you see 2017 again bull market, 2018 and 2018 and 19, the 2 years was a bear market was there. So if somebody says that I will not going to do any disturbance of my portfolio, I will hold it for 10 years. So I will ask you one question, simple question, sir. Assuming if you had invested in a bank in 2010, bank rate was 8%. If somebody has taken a risk in putting in equity and stood for 10 years in the market, what is that average per annum basis he might have got it?
Yeah, anywhere around 20%.
20%. So if you do all this calculation of the table, what I'm showing it, the average of the last 10 years, the large cap is given just a 9%. Mid and small cap, 1% high. So average 10% per annum basis one had got it if they had not done anything in the last 10 years, just invested. So what I strongly recommend is one should be seeing their portfolio regularly and they should be doing their profit booking in periodical manner. Then you can see you will be getting a better returns. And
yeah,
same thing I can ask you how much your portfolio, since I'm managing, I'm asking you how much your portfolio has seen the per annum basis return.
Yeah, I think my portfolio has seen very good returns since you've been managing for the last few years, averaging maybe around 18-20%.
Correct, sir. So we can able to make double the what the market is given. If market is given 9%, you can make 18%. But only timely profit booking you should be doing it.
I agree with you. Yeah, going forward, Mr. Kumar, do you think it's time for profit booking, or what would be your advice to long-term investors?
So this is like a cycle. So let me explain this cycle, sir. So on this cycle only, I'll be recommending all my clients when to do a profit booking and when to be in the equity. So this is a 12 points, and after every bull there will be a bear market. So if you see in the month of 2018 March, I gone to each and every customer of Akshay Money and said that you should not be in high in the equity market. You should reduce your equity to maybe 20 to 30%. After that, what happened? What is that indication? First is there will be increase in the rates, FD returns or repo rates. So when this increases, that is indication that the markets will start falling. So if you see the point number 2, market started falling. This point number 12 to 3, it took almost 2 years. That's why I shown that 2018 and 19 was a flat year, or it was negative. After that, what happened? From February onwards, 2020, market started corrected almost 40%. If you recall my YouTube 2020 April video, I said all customers to increase to 80%. Is the same thing I made all customers also to increase their portfolio depending upon the risk profile. And why we made it? One thing is real estate. Real estate is one of the component we should look into. Whenever the real estate is high, there is a time when we should do the profit booking. And when the real estate is down, bottom, that is a time you should be very aggressive in the stock market. And why if the fall in the market, real estate? Because if you see after 6.7, there will be fall of the interest. You can just recall when is that last time you had got the home loan at 6.5%. Today you are getting at 6.5% home loan. So when the interest rates are, it will be very bottom, then the money starts moving into the economy. That is where you can see the recommending, so strong recommendation buy. So if you ask me today, we are somewhere at in between 8 and 9, where we are seeing the prices of the stock market increased and the commodity prices also is increasing. So right now, to all my viewers, I recommend this is not the time to talk, do the profit booking. Still, from point number 9 to 12, we should go. Whether it will happen in 2 months or it will take 1 year, we don't know. But when the time comes, definitely I will inform you.
Thank you.
So this is about December market outlook, sir. Thanks for your time, sir.
Thank you.